Taijiquan Applications. Here we see a master doing an application using a back fist. Here this master demonstrates a motion to take down the opponent using the press. Here he uses a simple push to take his opponent off balance. There's a use of Lu, roll back. Brush knee. Blocking a kick, sweeping the leg. Here we see two guys in a park in Hangzhou, China doing the two-man. The 88 two-man attack defense sand show set is filled with some controversy. Yang Chenfu supposedly taught this. Here this particular master uses a raised hand technique, pushes his opponent down and pushes him forward. Here he circles, steps behind, and using the power of his waist, throws the guy. Here's a chin-na or a lock using chin-na. Here's another application. Opponent tries to come in for a leg grab. He steps back and uses repulse monkey. This is a demonstration of attack and defense form. Something like chin-na. It's very common in have an attack and defense system. You can see he tries to put her in a hold and they change. Here's a demonstration of an attack move. Punch to the abdomen and high pat horse. These can be used as two-man drills to teach reaction and a reflex. Here's a movement for a kick. Sticking and kicking. One of my favorite masters to watch is Master Liang Shouyu. Here he's demonstrating Yang style push hands. Then he's going to go into a throw. Tai Chi is filled with. Here's an application of single whip with a throw at the end. The next thing I wanted to show is the two-person sword form. That there's also a choreographed straight sword form that is used in mainland China. People use it for teaching different drills, sticking with the sword. An opponent comes in, you neutralize the attack, and then you counter. These drills aren't a means to an end, but they do teach some timing and sticking and some various principles the same used in tuisho or push hands. Here you can see the person is doing attacking and defending and countering. Here he's doing another move using the elbow movement. Using the elbow to the chest, right on his center line. There's a shoulder press, a shoulder movement. There's a ward off movement, taking the opponent off his root. There's another derooting of the opponent. Carry tiger back to mountain. There's a block and a chin-na control, controlling the joints. So Tai Chi does have many uses. Here this master uses ward off, controls the elbow, and pulls his opponent in, slamming him into the ground. Here he uses a circular motion, which is common in Tai Chi, and the guy controls his neck, but he still is able to throw him. Here we have two gentlemen doing chin-na, or actually they're doing push hands, and he is able to sweep a guy. Here he's able to lift up his challenger off the ground, uprooting. Here's a chin-na to the chin, using the guy's face, controlling his neck. Here in the next one, he covers his arm and uses it as a throw. Again, Tai Chi has many throws, and here's a throw counter. You're getting thrown, but he's able to plant his feet back to the ground and destabilize the thrower. Again, Tai Chi has many counter moves. And here's a fireman's carry. Here's an application of rooster on one leg, and application of fan through the back. Here's an application of needle at C bottom. Here's again fan through the back. Here's some Tai Chi two-person training using attack defense. Here's a chin na, controlling the arm and shoulder. Here's another demonstration of a Tai Chi throw, an effortless throw, using leverage and the opponent off balance. Again, Tai Chi is filled with throws. Master Liang is world renowned as one of the top martial artists coming out of China in recent years. Not a lot of masters have come here and taught as openly as Master Liang Shoyu has. He's been China's head coach and is a master of Sui Jiao. He's won competitions in martial arts, including weightlifting. Here's an application of strike tiger or hit tiger. Throwing him off balance. It's another application. So Tai Chi encoded has many different techniques with many uses. Here an opponent uses striking the temples, which is hitting a acupressure point in the skull. Tai Chi does have many bone breaking techniques, sealing joints. Sui Jiao I mentioned earlier, which is Chinese wrestling. Chin na, which is joint locks, seizing and grappling. Tai Chi's Chui Shou, which is the mid-range grappling technique. Tai Chi also uses weapons, and Tai Chi can be performed fast as well, especially in self-defense situations. Tai Chi, other than some solo forms, I wanted you to see some applications that there's a lot more to Tai Chi than meets the eye. This is my martial art, and I love it, and I've been practicing it for many years. And it does have a use in the combat world, and it originated from combat. So I just wanted you to enjoy this and see the applications and understand that there's more